What if the right gadget could save you time, effort, and even frustration every single day? From effortless cleaning and smarter kitchen tools to car emergencies and clutter-free spaces, these 15 problem-solving gadgets are seriously useful. Every single product in this video is linked in the description. Let's get into it. Tired of scrubbing stubborn grime by hand? The BOMVAS electric spin scrubber brings serious power to your cleaning routine with a 450 revolutions per minute motor and adjustable speeds. 4 interchangeable heads handle bathrooms, kitchens, glass, and hard-to-reach spots, while the 26 to 45-inch extendable handle helps reduce bending and kneeling. It's also IPX7 waterproof and delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime. If you want easier, faster cleaning with less effort, this gadget deserves a look. You'll find the product link down in the description. Would you trade your old scrub brush for this? If your under-sink cabinet is basically a black hole of bottles and supplies, this could change everything. The Delamu 2-pack features 2-tier pull-out shelves with 5 adjustable height settings, letting you organize and reach your essentials without digging around. Its L-shaped design works around pipes and garbage disposals, while suction cups provide added stability. Smooth sliding rails make access quick and quiet. If you want to turn wasted cabinet space into organized storage, check the link provided in the description. How much cleaner would your cabinet look with this? Touching a soap dispenser with messy hands is a hassle you can easily eliminate. The Aunmaon automatic soap dispenser uses an infrared sensor to deliver soap hands-free, while its 15-level dial lets you control each dispense from 0.4 to 2.5 milliliters. It can handle thick soap without dilution and works on a counter or wall-mounted setup. With a dry, elevated battery compartment and multiple finish options, it combines hygiene with convenience. The shopping link is waiting in the description. Would you prefer touchless soap dispensing at home? Ever reach into a cabinet or walk through a dark area and wish the light would simply turn on? The MCGOR 2-pack solves that with 10-inch rechargeable lights featuring motion detection up to 10 feet away. You get 5 brightness levels, magnetic or adhesive installation, and USB-C charging without complicated wiring. Motion mode can last days or even weeks depending on use, while always-on mode provides continuous illumination. If dark corners are your problem, the product is linked in the description. Where would you install these first? Forget struggling with matches or keeping butane around. The FUKKUDA electric arc candle lighter uses a dual plasma arc to light candles, incense, and suitable stovetop applications without an open flame. Its 7.5-inch design provides extra reach, while a safety lock helps prevent accidental activation. It's windproof, USB-C rechargeable, and includes a 7-second automatic shutoff plus battery indicators. For a cleaner, modern alternative to traditional lighters, take a look at the link in the description. Would you replace your regular lighter with an electric one? Here's a kitchen gadget that tackles one of those annoying little tasks we all deal with. The kitchen Gizmo snap and strain clips directly onto pots, pans, and bowls, allowing you to drain pasta or vegetables without transferring everything into a bulky colander. Its heat-resistant silicone construction handles temperatures up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, while the compact design stores easily in a drawer. It's also dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. If counter and cabinet space matter to you, the product details are available through the link in the description. Would this replace your traditional strainer? Stubborn jar lids can turn a simple snack into a frustrating battle. The Robotwist Deluxe takes the effort out of opening twist-off jars with a one-touch, hands-free design. Its self-adjusting grips automatically clamp onto lids between 1.2 and 3.5 inches, then use enhanced torque to loosen them. It runs on 2 AA batteries and stores compactly when you're finished. For anyone who struggles with tight lids or simply wants more convenience, you can find it through the description link. What jar would you test this on first? What if your sink stopper could catch food, block odors, and hold water all in one? This 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer combines a removable food-catching basket with a pop-up stopper and odor-blocking seal. Made from 304 stainless steel with a brass pop-up core, it fits standard 3.5-inch US drain openings. Press the center button to fill your sink, then press again to release the water. It's a simple upgrade that can make sink maintenance much easier. The product link is included in the description. Is your current sink drain ready for an upgrade? Need to clean crumbs, pet hair, or dust without dragging out a full-size vacuum? The SERVOMASTER cordless handheld vacuum weighs just 0.42 kilograms and is designed for quick cleanups around your home, car, office, and furniture. A washable HEPA filter helps maintain suction while reducing ongoing filter replacement, and the included brush and crevice tools tackle different surfaces and tight areas. With USB-C charging and around 20 minutes of runtime, it's built for convenient spot cleaning. You can check the latest product link in the description. Where would you use this mini vacuum most? A desk covered in tangled wires can ruin even the cleanest workspace. The YECAYE 6-pack cable management system uses adhesive J-channel raceways to hide and organize your cables without drilling. Each 15.7-inch channel has an outward opening design that makes adding or removing wires simple, while the flame-retardant PVC construction provides an added layer of protection. These channels can handle multiple cables for monitors, chargers, and peripherals. If cable chaos is your problem, the link to this solution is down below in the description. Ready to finally clean up those wires? A low tire at the worst possible moment can quickly become a serious inconvenience. The QYQBOON portable air compressor gives you a cordless way to handle inflation wherever you are. Its 35 liters per minute airflow is designed for fast inflation, while the digital display and automatic shutoff help you reach your selected pressure without overfilling. 4 preset modes cover bikes, motorcycles, cars, and balls, plus a customizable setting. It also includes a flashlight and USB charging ports for added emergency utility. You can access the product through the description below. Would you keep one in your car? How many times have your phone, coins, or keys disappeared between the car seat and center console? The Givifive 3-in-1 gap filler is designed to stop that frustration by filling the gap while adding storage and a hanging hook. Its flexible foam construction helps protect the interior, and the water-resistant material is easy to wipe clean. It comes in different sizes for different gaps and can move with seat adjustments. If your car constantly eats small items, check the link listed in the description. What's the last thing you lost down there? Still buying disposable canned air for your electronics? The WOLFBOX MF60 offers a rechargeable alternative with a brushless motor reaching up to 110,000 revolutions per minute. 3-speed settings let you switch from gentle cleaning to powerful debris removal, while 5 interchangeable nozzles expand its uses across keyboards, PCs, cameras, car interiors, and more. Two 2,500 mAh batteries provide extended operation, and the lightweight 0.5-pound design makes it easy to carry. The full product link is available in the description. What would you clean with 110,000 revolutions per minute airflow? Counter space disappears fast in a busy kitchen, but this clever rack gives it back. The Tomorotec roll-up dish drying rack sits over your sink to create a convenient drying surface, while its 304 stainless steel construction can support up to 70 pounds. It also doubles as a food prep surface and heat-resistant trivet for hot cookware. When you're finished, simply roll it up and store it away. If you want more function without sacrificing space, the product is linked below in the description. Could your kitchen use this extra workspace? Before calling a plumber for a simple hair or debris clog, this long-reach drain snake could be worth trying. The DOMEJO features a 79-inch flexible spring steel design with a 4-prong claw that grabs obstructions inside drains. It can reach through kitchen sinks, showers, tubs, and other suitable pipes, helping retrieve hair and small debris without specialized plumbing equipment. It's designed for light-duty household maintenance and easy manual operation. If you want an affordable drain cleaning tool on hand, find it through the link in the description. Would you try this before calling a plumber? And that wraps up 15 problem-solving gadgets designed to make everyday tasks easier, cleaner, faster, and more convenient. From your kitchen and home to your car and workspace, there's something here for almost everyone. Every single product in this video is linked in the description. Which gadget would you actually use the most? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.